Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can find out the birth date, moon phase, this TikTok trend like on my wallpaper here. And what you need to do to find out the birth date, moon phase is just open your browser in your phone and then just type in moonphase.co.uk in your browser. Then this website will be open and you can just scroll down and add your birth date in here. So for example, your birth date is on April 1992 for example, and you can just click on the date, for example 1 April. And after that, if you scroll at the top, the 1st April in 1992 will be show up the moon phase here. So if you want to download this image, just long press on the image and then click on download image. And you can also add your partner or your soulmate date in here, and it will also be shown up in here, and you can just do the same, download it and then edit the picture or combine the picture in the photo editor apps that you use on your phone. Okay, so that's all for me. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, please remember to click on thanks, like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.